Hi guys, so today I'm cooking some curry chicken for you guys, and I'm showing you another way of cleaning your meat. Here I have some flour along with some salt and hot pepper, and the hot pepper is optional. Once I place this, I'm going to massage it well and set it aside for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to wash this meat thoroughly, and then it's time to season the meat so that I can cook my curry chicken. So now I'm going to be adding some black pepper, some paprika, lemon pepper seasoning, some of my homemade green seasoning, a pinch of salt, and some garlic. I'll now rub the seasoning into the chicken, making sure that all the pieces are coated. Once this is done, I'm going to leave it aside to marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I place a pan with some oil over medium heat, and once the oil is hot, I add some cumin seeds and let it fry until it's golden brown. You can use the ground cumin instead. Once that is done, I add the grated garlic and chopped onions and saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I add the curry powder, and feel free to use any type of curry powder of your choice. At this time, you want to fry the curry powder for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, then add the seasoned chicken, stir well, and place the cover over the pot and let this cook for 10 minutes over very low heat. You want to stir this, making sure that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. At this time, I am going to add some potatoes, which I did cut up, and this is optional. I also add 2 cups of water, and you want to taste as you go along. Cover the pot again, and at this time over medium heat, let this cook for 15 minutes. So it's time to check my curry chicken again. It is not quite finished, as you can see from the texture of the liquid there. You want this to evaporate and get a little thicker. Now I'm adding some chives. Once I do this, I'm going to place the cover right over the pot and let this continue to cook for another 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes now, guys, and my curry chicken is finished. I did check the chicken and it is soft and nice. You can see from the looks of it that it's cooked also. Check the potato. Once the potato is soft and nice, this is the end result of my curry chicken. This dish is savory. It is so delicious, guys. This is just a very simple and easy dish to make. So here you have it. If you like this video, kindly please give it a thumbs up. Don't you forget to press that subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. Thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn, and I will see you in my next video.